But boxing, the any fancy your home crime. I brand Seth Gyimah. Seth Gyimah boxing career no. Me sure Henry here na start here. Or started so about boxing at the pro level this year. Yeah. March no ball on the first professional bout.
Okay.
And this weekend I no ball the second professional bout. Ni na koye nkunimdie. One by way of knockout. And the 4 rounds decision no the win here. Dear na di Gyimah ababe drew years of hard work. Watinis yo were in free no. And no nanche he never gave up. No jidi se nyankopon bi wo betimi asesa ne shebrede amano. Ya wonu wa Ghana here. Minim se virus aye crowd and ko betimi join me. Or join me, he will tell you where exactly he's from because on him no. Young as MC Abuzi, almost on him no. Yes, this is a guy, Freezy McBone, the picture here. This is Freezy McBone as a boxer.
SOMPA 93.1.
Janka say no.
Yes, Freezy McBone as a boxer. Where the original boxing ring ni ma wapeja nensa, abra victory abadi amano. But before so your best idea way or that's way, he was basically like this. There's Freezy McBone again. Onye.
We do free anka ampa.
Onye Freezy McBone in here.
Nen kwada brim.
Yeah, exactly. Onye that's no.
We also omufra fomu ba.
Yes, nema me a farmer. So the son of a peasant farmer. It is can you feel. Yebe ki kabo mi yebe bresa kakra. Suku ebe mana ye break name what ejuma kakra. There is also another picture of Freezy McBone.
Wow.
Any
Only crash shovel.
Exactly the point. Only. I know that's we. Unjindia. Yes, I also call another old picture of this. This is it.
Oh, wow.
So he comes from humble beginnings, from a very poor background. But with me, rise here, kwa kodune nim. Virus wa. Onim no.
Okay.
Don't wanna enter me. They go to Facebook on the comment. Almost omunim no. Omunim ne ko school. One co school papa bia excuse me.
Oh Ghana ha.
Yes, we're not the best of training, the best of schooling. Boxing yeah. One training or boxing or Ghana how. So basically oyobia adom ene akwenya ene bie ediamano. Entivaras bano be catch ya. Where is he from? Ofri sabe ekrase kakra bima. Ewo ehin efijas area ho meboa. Enti ehona ana odi anyini ade aba luta kakra nyome muaeden na akwenya ba so otu kwan akwa abrochire partial no kwasha abrochire okoye ne ho kire ne kakra
oh yeah
nti waye adwuma wo kitchens ahodo waye kitchen boy watwitwi nchansi mu aye de obeya ana odi esu adwane ni bi asisi oye chef obeya chef ni mu no anso no he pushed for more. Pushing for more near the end. He wanted to train to become a boxer. Ne age, no rat 30 more we. Now man for starting and now boxing all the quiet day with the 30 or more munya 35 or more boxing career and they see the trace. Wafe now person start. He never gave up. And from amateur boxing or bonica 18 fight. He distinguished himself. No Odibe rare promo match. The first boxing bout knockout partial. But before that, no didn't kind indicate say there is greatness in him. Na a gym training video be and our penny be also watching a crowd board and knockout flat or board knockout and the video went viral. 50 Cent and even some of the top stars almost share the video no across board. Almost share no Emani Benya Dean as the British Mike Tyson.
Okay, Gyimah we.
Yes, Gyimah as an American. British Mike Tyson. But before so I British Mike Tyson no virus na di many different
Medino Freezy McBone na am friend
no e wa haya
and one was starting a Freezy McBone na am friend he from a place on say me nka say a village a cottage a cottage in a sense that ho kra enu 13
wow and say na light in electricity
in so ni ho car ko ho na this I will train the next day and sana car sana ba
Gyimah ho
no
say car ko ho enda
this I will train the next day and sana car sana ba nti ni story ni we dia edi if we be ho di in school okoti ahome dia on so kwa masa man get school go school na school na no okono na teachers no anu ankasa ne colleagues esre no oni mpabo apahye oni school atade papahye into okọ class almost sre no but dey ba ko no won say So what's Serena? Or far BB from Syrian. Said was no tell.
No, they are sending home crying.
And only idea back wow the nam. Nanya ding, ne what ding, Nani Gyimah.
O Kasano, you're trying to boxing a highlight. Look at your head here. Of course, was screen so. This in the back to your kunyao. The real see walk.
And you know something say about him no. The entire young one say boxer and say before so be too quiet. Nipa 4 attacking.
Before so be too quiet.
Nipa 4 attacking. Baako kokoma.
How? Omo ne kunto kwa na say.
Omo attacking onyam no ma say farmer no. And na kakra ba ni nsam. So kakra ba ni nsam no time won ho.
Okay.
And the M one say say be for be man for posting wo kromo. The one say he was someone na man from penasem. Because of Nisuba, not Nisuba say be on paboni ni o. But because say
Nenisu e ana neni e den.
Stand for what is right. Mjibi say we na me ya ntina man for time kakra. Eno so hye ni nkran. Tinipa for attacking no. Ba kokoma.
So be kai no pa luta ye boni video no say na to one na esre no. Menim say kremo video ni e ready a obetimi abo sa video no so. Yeah, o say na do one na esre no o true mika homachi o co train no say na we dey na okwakoye na akwaye o wasting the time dey na okwakoye. But here is yentie no.
Yentie.
The limit. I don't sleep toward my dreams, and I never give up. I never let anyone let me down. I put myself to the limit. I don't sleep. I'm running 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like a madman. People see me like, what's this guy doing? And now this is the answer for those people. They was asking me those questions, you know. And I'm so proud of myself. And my mom, my family back home, they all watching me. And I make them proud because I come from nothing. A place there was no light, there was no water, nothing there. And I see myself in one of big promotion in the way, Queensbury. Come on, bro, there is a God. So whatever results happen there, I don't care. I don't care. I see myself like a winner, no matter what.
Luther.
He's not faking the cry.
Sir.
On say Yabusia, or 10 or 11. On kwani be mo
omo ye say
11 on kwani be mo mo maka na ye ma
wow
enti osano e bia man person mu on say mema nua ba
exactly
man nua be ma
to be any dane so
any one ho e bia o person ko no aduane kra man say o say da nua manya ma de enti obi a enche no wo su because of the free and then you ma wo form obedu enti he's not faking the cry sana
I said there is a God. There's a nyame bi wo ho a otumi sisa hyebre nti we ni ade hye nkran akeke no matter your situation nyame bi wo ho a dakrope or the sisa o hyebre. So find inspiration from the story no. Freezing McBone Seth Gyimah no ne nam he ya akonya ne bae no hwe de ende waye ane ye ka ne ho asem SOMPA me so sanka wo Ghana ha anka bia sa akonya we nke bonya
and the official website some microphone break kaka minimum no
exactly and
very touching
to Facebook a lot of people virus me dasepa you've given us wonderful insight on our brand and in the background anyway